Guys, right here, we got a digital drum set. This is a drum set, but it's so compact, so small, it's digital. Boom! You got the drumsticks right here. Nice. Oh, nice drumstick. We got the user manual, 3.5mm audio cable right here, USB cable. You got 2 pedals right here. Pedal action. Boom, boom, boom. You got 2 pedals. We got a little carrying pouch right here. You got the drum set right here. Drum set! Boom, boom. Digital drum set. That's a digital drum set right there. Do not fold the drum keys. On top right here, you got the on off button, and the MP3 player, the phones, the pedals, USB. Right here, you got the kit, the clock, the stop play, the demo, the special, the volume up, volume down. This is a nice drum set. Let's turn it on. Oh! A demo. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. We're on Amazon Live. Boom, boom, boom. Sick. Let's go. Here we go. Different vibes, different rhythm. Right here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. This is a compact digital drum set like that. Have a lot of fun. It's so compact. It's so lightweight. You have the double reel right here. Different effect, different sound. You can have beat to it. You can jam to it. This is so small. This is bass. It's so portable. It's so loud. You got the volume up and down right here. This is a portable drum kit right here. You can have a lot of fun. Yo, this is so good. This is a 7-pad drum set right here. All digital, all good. Right there. Oh yeah.